Dear students, in the previous video, we have learned about the chapter called Give Her Five and Let Her Be Alive. And we have learned how the people are practicing the abortion, how they are killing the unborn child. The similar topic, but the chapter is different. We'll learn about chapter 10 today for class 7, all of you. Okay, and this is about the saving the daughter. Saving the daughter means saving girl child, saving the female unborn child. Okay, we'll learn it. Okay, saving the daughter means saving girl child, saving girl child. Okay, so the writer begins with or from Punjab. Okay, that Punjab was having pride for its initiative once upon a time. Okay, and Punjab was having a good sex ratio. Punjab was having a girl child movement, and that movement was like a mass movement. Mass movement. But Punjab is also practicing the worst sex ratio. Okay, and is also one of the example of worst sex ratio. We'll come to know about this, about the imbalance of the sex ratio and all. Okay, so people are actually very much crazy for the male child. They don't want any female child, but male child and female child all are very much important, that we know. Okay, male, female, both are important. So never judge any gender before he or she is born or come to this world. In fact, we'll come to that topic again in more details, but we'll now discuss what the writer is actually trying to tell us. Okay, so the writer is talking about the craziness for the male child. We all want son only, son. I want a male child. Then who will take female child? So female child is also important, but the writer is talking about people are very much crazy for the male child. All are jumping, all are looking for the male child only. Okay, especially we have a term NRI, means what? Non-resident Indian. Non-resident Indian. What is the meaning of non-resident Indian? Okay, the people those who are living outside of India. Okay, people those who are living outside of India, so known as non-resident Indian, NRI. They are found to be practicing more about the aborting, and they are aborting the girl child. They are testing when the mother is pregnant. Okay, and they are those couple, COUPLE couple, are practicing the aborting, and especially they are testing when the mother is pregnant and killing the girl child before she is born. Okay, therefore we have found in every five family there is a missing daughter. Okay, they are killing it. Okay, and now we'll find one of the worst example that we have. Okay, out of 5 lakhs missing daughter, 1 lakh from Punjab itself. Dear students, यहाँ पे 5 लाख मिसिंग डॉटर है, उसमें 1 lakh from Punjab itself. So that's why we have said that Punjab is having a very much worst sex ratio. From Punjab itself, 1 lakh daughters are missing. Means they have already killed the daughters in the pregnancy. So we'll come to the know in the more details. Government and people are not taking any initiative for it. Not serious at all. Okay. Maybe government is implementing some of the concepts. We will come to know. But the people are not serious. People only have a fix of mind that they want only the male child. Okay. That's why we have gender for the imbalance. So male and female are not in the balanced way. Sex ratio is not in balance. So it is imbalance. Okay. We have a concept PCPNDT means what? Preconceptional and prenatal diagnostic technique. Once again, preconceptional and prenatal diagnostic technique. This is what was implemented and amended in 1996 by the government of India. And people are practicing more when the lady is pregnant. During the pregnancy, they used to test, they used to go to doctor, they used to pay a lot of money. Okay, whether the female child or male child. If the female child is there, then they kill the child, they abort the child. Okay, because they don't want female child, they want only male child. Understand? So the government has now is very serious from 2002 that the act preconceptional and prenatal diagnostic techniques. Okay, this act is from 2002, is very much serious regarding the aborting the girl child, regarding the aborting the girl child, and they are focusing to save the girl child more, saving the daughter. And that's why today daughters are cherished, celebrated and prized. Dear students, you will find the daughters, female child are given, okay, more facilities, more opportunities, more gifts, more prizes. They are celebrated, they are cherished, more opportunities, facilities are given from the government. So daughters are given more facilities than the boys. Why? The sense of worthiness of daughters should be increased in the human brain especially. Okay. So we have one of the example in Bijlipur village. Okay, we have a sunshine sex ratio. Okay, where 1800 female and 1000 male. Okay, so this is how there is a sunshine sex ratio where the female is more and male is less, but it should be in balanced way, otherwise it will be imbalanced. Gender for the imbalance, it should be balanced. Okay, okay. Now the writer says we should, all of us, and this is very true fact, we should take initiative to give life to the girl child. Every one of us have a duty. Every one of us are part of this duty. We should take initiative to save the daughter, to give the life to the girl child. Don't kill anyone. Okay. Don't test whether it is male or female, and if it is female then kill. Don't do that. Everyone has the right to live. Therefore, give life to everyone. Thank you, dear students.